So cyberbullying is still a major issue in our society, and especially this year with pandemic and everyone logged into their houses. We feel like we need to do something in order to at least, I would not say we can stop it completely, but we can minimize what's happening.
And joining us right now via Zoom is Simi Basu. Simi is a computer science teacher and cybersecurity coach here at STEM School Highlands Ranch. Simi, thank you so much for joining us. And what we're talking about today specifically is this Kindly app. And this is something that I've heard a lot about. I know that it also led to a big award for the students that were a part of this. It sounds like a really exciting app that was put together. So what can you tell me about Kindly?
Sure. Thank you so much, Jeff, for having me today and talking to me today. First of all, actually, I would like to congratulate the entire team and STEM School Highlands Ranch for their hard work and commitment on this project. It's been one interesting year for this project. So, Kindly is pretty much a anti-cyberbullying service that uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing to identify and actually urges the users to use a different language, because if, as we know, the teenagers, they don't think, they just act quickly. So this app actually slows them down, tells them to think, and then it acts. So it is pretty much similar to tools like Grammarly, wherein it helps the user to rethink their choice of hurtful words. So that is what this Kindly app in nutshell is.
That's really neat. So tell me about the team that put this together and how they accomplished it.
Sure. So a little background story behind this. In November of 2018, one of my teams, including Jada Sarak, Gitanjali Rao, Jatin Putnuri, and Azra Sarak, and me as an advisor, we competed for a competition called as East Cyber Mission Competition. Our topic was to create a cyberbullying awareness app using artificial intelligence. So the team worked 4 months on this project and they won the regionals in April of 2019. And then we were selected for the national competition in May 2019. I have to say that the moment I got a call from the eCyber Mission team, this was a very, very special moment for me. And the reason behind that is because I got this news just 1 week after the May event at STEM School Highlands Ranch. So this project is really close to my heart and students as well, because this did not stop me or the students on the project. Actually, students were even more determined to take it forward after what happened at STEM. I would like to thank eCyber Mission for supporting this purpose and our vision of minimizing cyberbullying events with the help of technology and with all the support they provided us when we were there competing for the national competition as well.
Well, that really says something about the STEM students and their ability to persevere using their innovation and their ideas. And ultimately, in some cases, and in this case, the one that we're talking about, the students won a big award. Tell me how they were recognized for this.
Well, that was the best part and great experience for these students. So the team went to Virginia in June 2019. And there we had like competitions after competitions, morning till night, 10 o'clock. I think we were in workshops and different competitions. So on the final day, when the announcement was to be made that who won the award and everything, we did not win the national award, but our school and our team, we won the STEM in Action Grant Award, which was for $5,000. And what it does is it gives us the ability actually to enhance our software with different platforms. So for eCyber Mission, STEM in Action grant is awarded based on evaluation of the team, what is the implementation plan that they have given, and how they can improve and impact within their communities. So while we were there, we had a chance to go to Washington, D.C., and we had a chance to meet, lot of influential people regarding our project. We had a chance to talk to Cory Gartner, and we met a lot of people at Washington D.C. So that was really really interesting. Also, I remember the team met Jason Crow, the representative Jason Crow, and he was so interested to know how we can help the community, and his team was working with us as well to see if we need any support. So that moment I cannot forget, and just that smile on students' faces was amazing.
I bet. Well, it's a well deserved honor. Now, in your opinion, why do you feel that apps like Kindly are important to have in the age of cyberbullying?
So this is what my take is on that. Like, cyberbullying is not a new term at all. Like, we all as a society, we have been trying to tackle it in different ways. So cyberbullying is still a major issue in our society, and especially, this year with pandemic and everyone, logged into their houses, we feel like we need to do something in order to at least, I would not say we can stop it completely, but we can minimize what's happening. So that is what the idea was behind this app. And how this app is different from other apps as of right now is that it uses artificial intelligence. It stops the user from sending that out. And in a minute, I'll share my screen and I can show you some things how we do that app as well. So it actually tells the user, hey, stop for a second, think what you're doing. So I feel that is Kindly app, if done correctly with a lot of Chrome extensions we are using. Also, you would be excited to know that UNICEF has collaborated with us, and UNICEF is working with us and providing a lot of feedback to us as well on the app. So it's pretty neat, wherein students get to actually create the app, promote it, make sure that people are aware of it, and then also keep improving it along the side with the industry partners, Forbes, Ignite, UNICEF, Children's Kindness Network, and Microsoft. They have been working with us on this app as well.
And speaking of making people aware of its existence, what's the best way for individuals to download Kindly and share it with others?
So the best way to do is to go on our website, and the website address is kindly.godaddysites.com. So people can go to this website and download the app. Website also has a way for users to provide feedback, because it's not just one and done here. We are looking for continuous improvement so that we can make sure that we keep improving in the future as well. So I can show you, maybe I can share my screen, and there is a small video that I can play which shows how actually the app works on the back end and the front end as well.
Absolutely. Let's see it.
An artificial intelligence and natural language processing based solution to detect and prevent cyberbullying. It is a user friendly solution available for multiple platforms and channels and built on a continuously evolving service that uses self learning and sentiment analysis. The solution is a combination of a custom front end chat application with its basic functions such as a user session and chat history, and a back end NLP and AI based service. The app backend is built on Microsoft's cognitive services with added programmatic enhancements to filter intents, entities, and domains. I've also added serverless wrappers for API management and scaling, as well as ease of use. The backend service is available as API for anyone to create their own seamless extension for a variety of different methods, such as an SMS and other social media applications. I've already created a Chrome browser extension that is now available on the Chrome Web Store that supports Gmail, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Here is a flowchart of the solution. The chat app invokes the service and passes the user's words and messages. My service categorizes them into intent, such as bullying words, insult, or ignore, with an associated probability of the categorization. In addition to the words, the algorithm also looks for the sentiment of the sentence for negative or positive connotations. In the future, I plan to add a reporting feature to notify a trusted adult after a high frequency of bullying words are logged. My future plans include improving the ML and AI engine for better self-learning, specifically unsupervised learning capability, improve the reporting and analytics functionality, and other newer features.
All right, so that was just a little bit of that, and just to show you how the website looks like. So anyone can go to this website. It's kindly.godaddysites.com, and this is how it will look like. And you can explore different options that we have here. We do have what is the impact that's happening, what are our solutions, different events that we are planning, and then our partners and our experiences as well.
Well, thank you for sharing that information with us and everything about the Kindly app. It's really amazing, and clearly these students are ahead of their time in many different ways, most notably on an issue that is so important to both students, parents, teachers, everyone involved in the learning process as we continue to try to combat the problem of cyberbullying. So your students are amazing. They're doing incredible work. You are as well. And Simi, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Jeff. I really want to congratulate STEM School Highlands Ranch as well for providing these platforms to students and giving them an opportunity to actually change the world. And as I said earlier, the name actually we came with this name based on the event that happened at STEM, and kindly, because we all decided we all have to be kind, and that is how the name originated as well. So thank you so much, Jeff. I really appreciate your time today.
It's a wonderful name. Have a great one.